In this video, we're going to be looking at the basic components you will need to be able to wash a window. You will need a window cleaning applicator, some kind of detergent, and a bucket of water. In this case, for the detergent, we are using dishwashing liquid. This is easily accessible, cheap, and does a very good job on the windows. There are many professional detergents to choose from, but in our experience, nothing has beaten the old dishwashing soap. And the beauty of this is you do not need much of it to create an excellent job on the windows. So let's have a look how to set up your solution so that you are ready to clean windows. So the first thing you will need to do is submerge your applicator into the bucket of clean water. There's been nothing added to this water at all, it is just clean water. And then often what I do is I will just squeeze or wring out the excess water from the applicator, because normally a lot of that water will sit in your bucket on a belt if you choose to wear one, or drain away in whatever container you choose to hold this in. So a lot of that solution doesn't actually get used anyway. So I squeeze out a lot of the excess into the bucket, and then you're ready for the final stage. The final stage is grabbing your detergent to apply directly to the applicator sleeve. This will give you the best solution and best slippy glide on the glass so that your squeegee can perform at its best. So what you want to do is either apply a line of soap along the applicator or just several dots. Now that depends on how strong the detergent is that you're using. In this case, this is a premium dish soap, so I don't actually need very much of it. So I'm going to put 3 dots on the applicator like that. So you can see there's one on the end, one in the middle, and one on that end, and repeat the process on the other side. And that is your applicator ready to go. And when you've rubbed this solution into the glass, you will see it creates a nice foamy and slippy solution on the window, ready for your squeegee to perform.